So, step one. Tear it apart before I can turn the camera on. So it seems as though we're in a bit of a pickle over here. Brandon, do you want to describe that pickle?
There's a pickle? I love pickles.
I love pickles. I love pickles.
I know you do.
What's our pickle? The cylinder head?
No, the whole situation.
Oh, that's you?
Yeah. Let's see if I can.
So yeah, we started on our Edelbrock parts installation, and we tore everything apart while you all slept.
Yep. So there's no footage of the teardown, but we all know how to take apart a puzzle.
Yeah, everybody knows how to tear stuff apart.
Yeah,
it's putting it together.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the real. Yeah.
So we're gonna get a little footage of putting all of this stuff back together. We're also gonna explain to you a little bit about what we're doing and the bind we're in. I have a sinus infection, I believe, so I sound like I'm talking through a traffic cone. So we're gonna let Brandon do all the talking. Hang on, let me switch. No. It won't flip back. Oh, you can't. Oh, okay, I gotta turn it on. So Brandon, talk about your schedule.
Oh, my schedule.
Yeah.
So today is Thursday, the 10th, right? And we have an event starting Saturday the 18th.
That we have to leave for on Friday.
Yeah, the 17th. So Monday, the 7th, right? I was told that I'll be out of town from this coming Sunday through Thursday. So my 2 weeks that I thought I had to put the car together, I ended up having like 4 days.
I love pickles.
So that's kind of why it kind of happened off scene. We blew it apart in the after hours last night and got it to this stage, which, like I said, everybody can take bolts out and pull stuff apart. So we'll show you a few little details, putting the cam in, putting the lifters in. I already cleaned some of the stuff up. We're not doing as much as I would like to take it to the machine shop and deck the block and do the whole 9 yards. We're doing a shade tree, rush job here like the Weekend Warriors. So we'll show you how we do it Weekend Warrior style.
So here's the state of things. One of the issues that we did notice on one of the heads.
That's a good one. Yeah, we got some nice pitting in here.
Yeah, so a little bit of pitting. Now, is that common to, like, a common issue with those composite head gaskets?
Well, I can't. That's the first one I've had lately that's been that way. Really, it's proper maintenance and taking care of. Change your coolant every now and then. They kind of start to sometimes turn. What do they call that? Alkaline. Alkali.
Your pH levels are off.
pH levels are off, so it can actually promote that type of thing happening. So anyway, this is the first one I've seen in a long time like that. It's unfortunate. So we may swap heads on this while we're at it, but it's Thursday at 1:20, and I'm supposed to be tuning this tomorrow evening and Saturday, so I can leave Sunday, and then we leave for the event when I get back. So we'll see what kind of crazy stuff happens the next 48 hours.
Tuning this, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna be tough to tune. Well, you took it apart that fast, so.
Yeah, we'll put it together twice as fast.
Yeah. It's a shame you can't clean it out. Yuck.
Yeah. Get the power washer. Let's get to work.
Right.
Wear your safety squints. Always.
We will have stars before midnight tonight. This is a breathtaking pace.
the throttle. Ooh, we're building up fuel pressure. I like it. I gotta go get my laptop before we can start it. Nothing's leaking. I like it. Let me go get my laptop because I gotta recalibrate the throttle.
0 to 100. There it is. All right, yeah, 0, 100, 0, 100, 0, 47.
17%.
Pretty good. How are you gonna start it without the key?
Okay, firmware update completed.